Hey everybody, Greg Rice here at Nexus Property Management. And last night a fan, a follower of the Nexus page, said you guys are too busy franchising to worry about managing properties. Okay, so that's a valid point, valid comment, and I'm going to elaborate on that so I can explain what our tenants, our owners, our vendors, and all of our network associates can really and truly expect from us and why. Okay, so let's jump right in. The first thing I want to mention here is about you at home. When you wake up in the morning, where are you going for your coffee? Where are you going for your breakfast sandwich? Then, where are you headed for lunch? Where are you headed for dinner? And how about this? Are you going to see a movie? Are you going to catch a sports game? Chances are, you at home each and every day are using a franchise model, whether it's for your coffee, for your breakfast sandwich, for your lunch, for your dinner, whatever it may be, you're coming across a franchise model. And why are you going there compared to the small one-off shop? Why? You're going to a franchise because they have efficiency, because they have technology, they have accountability, they have affordability. They have all of these things that naturally, as humans, we crave and we want. Okay? We want to get a coffee, we want to go through that drive-through in less than 60 seconds. That's a fact. We don't want to walk in, wait 5 minutes, and then make our own coffee in the corner on a dirty table with stains and napkins everywhere and walk out and overpay for it. We don't do that. We're going to Starbucks. We're going to Dunkin'. We're going to Honeydew. We like these franchises. And the same thing goes for our lunch. We're going to McDonald's. We're going to Subway. We're going to Olive Garden. We're going to Outback Steakhouse. Same thing for dinner. And then we're going to the movie theater, which is also a franchise. And then we're going to see a sports team. Again, a franchise. All of these things we're doing, most of us don't even know that they are franchise models. And they have proven to be the most popular and the most affordable solution for all consumers. They have the powers, the scale, the economies of scale to provide you the best experience day in and day out. And Nexus is no different. Now, granted, we are a small franchise. We've just begun. And let me tell you, it's an extremely difficult mountain to climb. But we're doing it day in and day out. At the moment, 4 offices open. And surprise, surprise, for you at home, we now have a 5th office opening in Baltimore, Maryland. And we're super excited about that. And you are the first person to hear it live in public. Okay? But at the moment, our Pawtucket office, Fall River, Worcester, and Natick, we're here in New England as a dominant force, changing the way that the property management business is conducted. Okay? So if you're at home thinking, I own a rental property, should I have Nexus manage it? Again, I say, where do you go for your coffee in the morning? Are you going to zip through that drive-through, get your coffee, use your app, be on your way? Or are you going to park your car, wait in line, and then make your own coffee in the corner? Okay, that's the difference. The Nexus model is drive-through. You know what you're getting, you know what you're paying, and you know it's going to get done. And hell, if your coffee's made wrong, all you got to do is say, hey guys, my coffee's wrong, can I get another one? We go back. We return at our own expense. We make things right for your property, for your tenants. That's the power of a franchise. And that's what we do, okay? In my opinion, we're modestly priced. We're not the cheapest, I know that for a fact, but we're not the most expensive. Middle of the road. But we get it done quickly, we get it done efficiently, and we're here. 4 offices. You know where you can find us if you have a problem. And that's the power, that's the strength that you should be looking for. Now, if you go to a small, one-off property management outfit that has a couple people owning it, managing it, a couple staff fixing things here and there, you could get lucky, you could have a good experience, but chances are it'll come to a head and there's going to be something that you don't like or you feel you're getting disserviced on, whether it's maintenance or rent collection or evictions or inspections or reporting, accounting, billing. There's going to be something that they're not doing efficiently. And I can assure you, here at Nexus, we have software that we've built custom for our business, 2 softwares as a matter of fact, that takes care of all of our billing, our materials, our reconciliations, our payroll, our pay time off for our staff, our retirements, all of these things that most companies have to hire clerical workers for. No disrespect to clerical workers, but we've replaced with software and buttons. That franchise scalability that I talked about is that example right there. We've replaced people with buttons so we can spend time managing your property. Okay, so we're not too busy franchising, we're too busy managing property. And that's why we franchise, and that's why we're growing, and that's why people are choosing to buy into our system. I really don't know what more to say on that topic, but if you have any other questions, any other feedback, post it in the comment section below and we'll get right back to you. Once again, Greg Rice from Nexus Property Management, your property and your franchise managed.